Hello students, today we are going to study singular and plural nouns. Countable nouns can be both singular and plural. For example, we can say 1 cow, 4 cows. First, we will see singular noun. Singular number. Here, singular means what? A noun that denotes only one person or a thing is said to be of singular number. Means only one person or thing. For example, girl, pen, school. Okay, now next we'll see plural number. A noun that denotes more than one person or a thing is said to be a plural noun or plural number. Means more than one person or thing. For example, girls, pens, schools, in this way. Now we are going to see different rules. First rule we'll see, we add s to form the plural of most nouns. For example, boy, boys, then pen, pens. Okay. Now second rule is, if nouns ends in s, double s, sh, ch or x, then we add es to its singular form to change it into plural form. For example, we see the example class, classes. Means here double s we add es. Bench, bench, ch is there, so again we are going to add es. Okay, benches. Now next rule, we'll see third rule. If a noun ends in a consonant plus y, then drop the y and add ies. Ies means its singular form to order to change it into plural form. For example, pony. Here n is consonant plus y. Now what we are going to do? We are going to drop this y and add ies. Means ponies, ponies. Same like that. Bakery, bakeries, bakries, bakeries. Okay, now next rule, fourth. If a noun ends in a vowel plus y, then what to do? Change to plural by adding s after y. means just we are going to add Y. For example, toy. Here O is the vowel and we are adding the vowel plus Y. O plus Y means what we are going to do here? Just add S. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Same like that. Tray. Trays. Okay. Now next rule we are going to see. Fifth rule. Nouns ending in F. Ending in F and FE form their plural by changing the F and FE into VES. Means we are going to change this F and FE by VES. For example, see the example. Leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. F is given, so change this F by VES, means L-E-A-V-E-S. One more example we'll see, that is knife. K-N-I-F-E means F-E. Change F-E by V-E-S, means K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Okay. Now next example, 6th number rule we'll see first. However, some nouns ending in F form their plural in the normal way. Sometimes we did no need to change this F and FE by VES. Normal way we are going to write. For example, roof. Normal way, just add S. Roofs. Chief. Chiefs. Okay. Now next we are going to study. 7 number rule is most nouns ending in O. Ending in O form their plural by adding ES to the singular. Means, for example, mango ending with O. Then when the nouns are ending with, sometimes nouns are ending with O, we are going to add just ES, means mangoes. Mangoes. One more example, buffalo. Buffalo, buffaloes. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. So, E-S. Okay. In this way, here also mango, M-A-N-G-O, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Okay. Now, next rule we'll see. Next rule is 8 number rule. Some nouns ending in O form their plural in the normal way. Sometimes they are not changing O, or we are not adding them ES. Just for example, you see the example, photo, P-H-O-T-O, photo, P-H-O-T-O-S, photos, or auto, A-U-T-O-S, autos. Okay. Now, next rule. If nouns consist of several words, that is compound nouns, for example, the S is added to the main verb, means here it is given compound nouns, means several words are added. At that time we are going to add S to the main word. main word. For example, see the example, father-in-law. Father-in-law. Here 3 words are given. At that time, what to do? How to form a plural form here? Which is the main word over here? Father. So here we are going to write fathers-in-law. 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 Okay. Now next rule we'll see, that is the 10 number rule. Some nouns have same form in the singular and plural, no changes. For example, sheep. Same, sheep. Singular, plural also same, sheep. Again, deer. Deer also no changes. Okay. Now next we'll see, some plural forms are irregular and their spellings need to be memorized because they do not follow any rule, means no regular form. They are irregular. Those words we are going to memorize. Means, for example, we'll see the example, child. These are plural form of child is children. Children. Okay. One more example, see, man, men, woman, women. Okay, means they are irregular. We have to memorize these words. Okay. So children, this is about the singular and plural nouns.